Hello everyone, welcome to another video on the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Craigslist. This process is much easier than you imagine. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. This helps me a lot to bring more videos like this to you. Let's open our browser and search for Create Account on Craigslist. You can click on either of these two links, but the first link that appears to you is the most appropriate. Creating an account on Craigslist is very easy. Right away you will see that you have to fill in your email. After entering your email, click on the Create Account button, and this screen will appear for you. They sent a link to your registered email for you to click and verify your account. This process is necessary for you to start using and creating a new account on the website. After clicking on the link sent to your email, this screen will appear for you to create a password. It is important that you create a very difficult password, using letters, numbers and characters if possible. After entering your password twice, click on the button that says Set Password. Everything is done, your account has been successfully created. Now just go back to the website and log in normally by filling in your email and the password you just created. And the video ends here. Thank you very much for watching. I hope I have helped you in some way. Until next time.